Okay, Joe, you're keeping us awake with your snoring, and I'm gonna try and wake you up. Don't take anything personal. I think he stopped breathing. Okay, never mind.
Are you really gonna do the nipple thing again?
I don't have to do the nipple thing again, but I'm gonna.
Okay.
Alright. Cause, I mean, oh wait, I don't want his hand between my legs.
Seriously?
Anyway.
This should prove that you need to stop drinking.
Wait, he doesn't have to stop drinking. Just
Okay.
Maybe get some medication or counseling or something. Like, breathe. No.
Oh my god.
Wake up. Wake up. No, don't pinch on yourself. Just wake up. Joe.
Baby.
Sudden death or something. Wake up. Wake
Oh
up.
my god.
Wake up. Let's try this again.
Rolling him over.
Hey. Oh, he opened his eyes. Joe.
Sometimes he sleeps with his eyes open.
Joe. Oh, there we go. Hey, wake up. Wake up. No, wake up. Don't puke.
Oh my god.
Hey, wake up. You good? You